Hey there, food fanatics! Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Adventures where we take your taste buds on a wild ride. Get ready to rock and roll with a recipe that's gonna blow your taste buds out of the water. We're talking taco cupcakes. These little bites of heaven are the perfect fusion of your favorite taco flavors, all packed into a convenient handheld cupcake form. These bad boys are a super fun twist on your classic taco, and they're crazy easy to make. Imagine layers of seasoned ground beef, gooey cheese, and all your favorite taco toppings, all nestled in a crispy wonton wrapper. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth. Each bite is a burst of flavor with the perfect balance of savory, spicy, and cheesy goodness. These ain't your grandma's cupcakes, folks. They're a modern twist that's sure to impress at any gathering. We're talking layers of flavor, from savory seasoned ground beef to all the fixings you love in your tacos. Think fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, tangy sour cream, and a sprinkle of cilantro to top it all off. This is the perfect recipe for a party, game day, or just a rockin' weeknight dinner. Imagine serving these up at your next get-together and watching everyone's eyes light up with delight. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into a culinary masterpiece that's gonna have you saying, "Lights out, this is out of bounds, get your aprons on and let's get cooking." Alright gang, let's round up the ingredients for these flavor bombs. You're gonna need ground beef, the star of the show, taco seasoning to give our beef that signature taco kick, muffin tins, our cupcake molds, your favorite taco toppings, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, onions, sour cream, salsa. Go wild, see? Simple ingredients for a totally off-the-hook dish. We're keeping it real in Flavortown with this one. First things first. Crank up that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature to get everything nice and toasty. Now let's get cooking. Put on your apron and gather all your cooking utensils. 1. Brown that ground beef in a skillet until it's cooked through. Make sure to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. Drain off any excess grease. This step is crucial to avoid a greasy mess in your taco cupcakes. 1. Stir in your taco seasoning according to the package directions. This is where the magic happens, infusing the beef with that classic taco flavor. Now for the fun part, assembling our taco cupcakes. This is where creativity meets flavor. 1. Grab your muffin tins and spray them with some non-stick spray. This ensures that our taco cupcakes come out easily and perfectly shaped. 1. Spoon that seasoned ground beef into each muffin cup, pressing it down to form a little cup. This will be the base of our flavor stadium. We're building a flavor stadium, folks. Each layer adds a new dimension of taste and texture. Each layer is going to be a touchdown for your taste buds. Get ready for an explosion of flavors in every bite. Section 4. Taco Cupcake Appalooza. Now it's time to bake these babies. Pop those muffin tins in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the meat is nice and heated through. While the cupcakes are baking, chop up all your favorite taco toppings. We're talking lettuce, tomatoes, onions, cheese, whatever your heart desires. Once the cupcakes are out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes before you start loading on the toppings. Section 5 Flavortown Fiesta. Welcome to the ultimate celebration of flavors, colors, and fun. Today we're diving into a fiesta that will tantalize your taste buds and bring joy to your kitchen. Now comes the best part. Dig in. Imagine the crunch of the taco shell, the savory meat, and the burst of flavors from the toppings. It's a party in your mouth. Pile on your favorite toppings and get ready for a flavor explosion. From creamy guacamole to spicy salsa, the possibilities are endless. Each bite is a new adventure. You can even set up a toppings bar and let everyone customize their own taco cupcakes. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy this delicious treat. Want to take it to the next level? Try these dynamite variations. Each one adds a unique twist to the classic taco cupcake, making it even more irresistible. Spicy sriracha. Drizzle some sriracha mayo on top for a fiery kick. This variation is perfect for those who love a bit of heat in their food. Guac attack. Add a dollop of guacamole for a creamy, cool contrast. The smooth texture of the guacamole perfectly balances the crunch of the taco shell. Fiesta fajita. Sauté some peppers and onions with your ground beef for a fajita twist. This adds a smoky, savory flavor that elevates the entire dish. There you have it, folks. Taco cupcakes. A recipe that's fun, easy, and totally out of bounds. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a festive party. So gather your ingredients, fire up that oven, and get ready for a Flavortown fiesta. Your kitchen is about to become the hottest spot in town. Enjoy the fiesta and happy cooking.